Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canva to your social media step by step clearly. To connect Canva to your social media accounts, first, open the Canva website or app. Log into your Canva account using your email or social media login. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Look for the Apps section on the left sidebar. Click on the More option to see additional integrations. In the search bar, type the name of the social media platform you want to connect. Select the desired platform from the list of available apps. A prompt will appear asking you to sign in to your social media account. Enter your account credentials for the social media platform. Grant Canva the necessary permissions to access your account. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message indicating the successful integration. Return to the home screen to access your newly linked social media account. To share your designs, simply create or open a design in Canva. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your connected social media account from the sharing options. Add any captions or descriptions you wish to include with your post. Finally, click the Share button to publish your design directly to your social media account. Repeat these steps to connect additional social media platforms as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.